Alright, GA gang, back with the same video. Check this out. So I decided we're gonna break this up into 2 videos. So forget all the mumbo jumbo I was talking before about showing you the Tesla screen, how to do the ghost mode with the bars, how to do all this other stuff. We're gonna keep this video strictly for the tire stickers. Then we're gonna break down a separate video dedicated to the Tesla screen and the user settings, the firmware updates, and stuff like that, to have shit that you don't have on your screen when it comes straight from the factory. You feel me? GE gang, I'm a little bit of a rush right now, but this video I believe we're gonna do like a redone top 5 mods for the Chrysler 300. But also within this video I want to show you guys how to clean your tire stickers. I just learned this trick from my brother, how they keep their old school Impala white walls clean. So let me show you the before and after, and I'm gonna insert a clip I took on my iPhone last night, but I'm gonna show you this shit. Okay, these are the dirty tire stickers right here. I sprayed foam on them last night. This is my bucket. Now I'm gonna show you the after. This is the after. As you can see, they're fucking white again. So now I can keep my tire stickers. This is after. This is before. So I'm about to clean this one right now. When I'm all done, I'll show you guys all 4. Then we'll get down to the breakdown what this video is really about. Alright guys, so I'm done cleaning tire stickers. They came out amazing. I found a new product and I didn't even bring it in here. God damn it. I'm gonna have to, when I get done, go in there and show you guys a can. Anyway, it's Shout. You know the Shout that you put on your clothes to clean your clothes? It's called Shout. Advanced formula is the foam. Like I said, later on I'll go in there and I'll insert a video of that and what it looks like. It costs like $3.48. But I'm about to show you what it took my tire stickers. Like you guys see the before, right? How dirty they were, a lot of cracks, like just hella dirty, bro. Like it's been raining, so it's been nuts. I'm gonna show you these tire stickers, man. So if you guys got tire stickers and you got to the point like I did where the motherfuckers were like $200 for tire stickers, bro, you're not gonna keep fucking putting new tire stickers on for 200 fucking bucks unless you sponsored, like buy them and they send you free shit. You know what I mean? So I was gonna be done with them. Like I said, my brother put me onto the fucking Shout, told me that's what they use to clean the white walls on the old schools and the fucking Cadillacs. I bought it, tried it, and shit worked. Now I'm about to go buy a couple cans to keep me right for the summertime. You feel me? So let's check them out. There we go. The motherfuckers is like bright white again. Don't mind the car is dirty, it's been raining. But my tire sticker's fresh. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? Bright white. Bright white. Yeah, we in the game. We in the game. So there you have it. We're gonna be looking right for the summertime, you know what I mean? So make sure you guys go grab some of that Shout. I got mine from Walmart for like $3.48 for a big tall can of foam. My brother said he bought the big bottle that you put the spray nozzle on top and spray it, but I like the foam action because I feel like the foam sticks onto the tire so it stays on there to clean. I feel like if it's too thin, it's just gonna run off. But I'm sure he said it works anyway, but I like the foam action myself. I might leave a link because I think it'll be easier to buy on Amazon. You know, it might be a little bit cheaper. Or you might be able to buy it on bulk. So I'm gonna leave a link, matter of fact, down in the description below for the Shout I bought. So you just go click on it and buy it at Amazon and get it shipped to you, you feel me? And then you ain't gotta worry about going to look for it and yada yada, especially if you ain't got time like me where you work a lot or you're just busy, family, work, home life, whatever. So what this video is really about, because this video gonna be all over the place, I just decided to fucking pick up the camera started recording because it has been a fucking while. And my guy Serious Lanes, make sure you go follow him on Instagram, Serious_Lanes. It's been on my ass about when the next video dropping. They can ask me all the time, when is the next video dropping? So I had to pick up the camera, you feel me? But this video is gonna be like, I get so many DMs about the fucking stereo, how to bring up the goddamn traction control, how to get the fucking the bars at the top and the bottom to disappear, so they're just not constantly on there, you know what I mean, showing your icons, you feel me? They like how mine is, where it just disappears and you pull down, they drop down, you feel me? Kind of like ghosting, you feel me? So they asked me all type of shit, so I guess we're gonna go through some of the settings on the shit, and then within this video we're gonna do another top 5 mods for the Chrysler 300 because they have changed. This fucking Tesla screen is in the top 5. Like, you have to do that. You don't want to be the regular degular 8.4-inch screen like every other Chrysler 300. So the top 5 has changed. So we showed you the tire stickers, how to clean your tire stickers. You getting game there. I'm gonna show you how to pull up the fucking the shit on the Tesla screen, how to get rid of the bars, how to pull up the fucking traction control shit, how to do a bunch of shit you might not know about. And you can't even do a bunch of this shit unless you get the software update, the firmware update, and I'm gonna tell you how to get that too. And then we're gonna do the top 5 mods for your Chrysler 300. So stay tuned for the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe like right now. Like the video, share the video. I know my people know people that got tire stickers that's like, bro, these motherfucking tire stickers are getting on my nerves. Oh man, I got my guy Fushnicker, man, he made a video, man. Share that motherfucker to him, and then he go share it to somebody, because everybody has these days is getting into tire stickers, you feel me? Like, it just makes the car look a lot better, you feel me? It's cool without it, but it's even cooler with it. And then if they don't have a Tesla screen and they got a Chrysler, it's mandatory. It's top 5, you feel me? And then we're gonna go from there. And then obviously the clothing. I got brand new beanies. I'm gonna show you all guys all type of shit. Since it's been a while since I've been on here, I'm gonna keep you guys up to date of what I've been doing behind the scenes of not just everyday life, you feel me? Like, of running a business, working fucking 70 hours a week. I know it's gonna be all over the place, man. I'm just excited talking. You see me, I stumble over my words and shit like that. But right now, to be honest with you, I'm about to run to the store. I'm about to DoorDash for a quick hour because I have business credit cards for the gas, and they come out of my business banking account. So I just DoorDash for like 2 hours to have money going to that account, so it doesn't come out of my regular account. You feel me? Like, it's just a system I got set up. I don't want to touch my regular money. I want it coming out of DoorDash money, where it's just like, you know what I mean? So let me get to it, and I'm gonna cut this camera back on. We're gonna do the top 5, and then we're gonna go through the Tesla shit, and I'm gonna show you how to get the firmware update and shit like that. So stay tuned. I'm gonna catch you guys in a minute. Yeah. All right, GA gang, back with the video, back with the same video. Check this out. So I decided we're gonna break this up into 2 videos. So forget all the mumbo jumbo I was talking before about showing you the Tesla screen, how to do the ghost mode with the bars, how to do all this other stuff. We're gonna keep this video strictly for the tire stickers. Then we're gonna break down a separate video dedicated to the Tesla screen and the user settings, the firmware updates, and stuff like that, to have shit that you don't have on your screen when it comes straight from the factory. You feel me? So we'll keep a tire sticker. So what I'm gonna do for you guys, you guys see what, whatever part of the video I showed you guys me spraying it on. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take it one step further for you guys. This is what it is right here. Right? Told you I'm gonna drop a link down below. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually show you guys me spraying it on there, and I'm gonna show you what I clean it with. So this is this shit right here. This is my Adams polish brush, right? This is for the leather. This is to brush the leather when you clean your leather in your car. But now it has switched over, and it's my tire sticker cleaner. The bristles are soft enough to where it won't fuck your tire stickers up. It won't scrape them off the tires. I'm gonna show you guys that. Just some more game. Not only to shout, but to get them extra clean. Brush the motherfuckers off and get them extra white. So that's what we're gonna do. Give me a minute. I'm gonna get some water in there. I'm gonna spray this shit on. I'm gonna turn the camera back on. Y'all gonna see the whole process. Then we're gonna get a whole separate video on the Tesla screen. So give me a minute. Yeah. Y'all, we're back. You seeing me sweating right now because I'm out here teaching him some moves for basketball. All right, so let's take the shout. Advance, right? You guys see how the tire stickers are a little bit dirty again? You know what I mean? It's been like a week. They're a little bit dirty again. We're gonna spray them, and the only thing you gotta do is leave it on there for about 2 minutes. Leave it on for about 2 minutes. Whew, tired from that hooping, man. All right, so I got my bucket of water for my my brush. We're gonna let this sit for 2 minutes. Then I'm gonna turn the camera back on, and I'm gonna show you guys how it works. All right, guys. So it's been sitting on here 2 minutes. So let me show you why this brush, which is a goddamn leather brush, is the best. Look at that. You see how it's light enough and it's not messing with the tire stickers or nothing. Look at that. And if you got like blue or orange flares, it's gonna be some color that come off, right? You see that blue? You see it bleeding? It's gonna bleed. Don't worry about it. All right, let me finish this and I'm gonna show you guys afterwards what it's looking like. All right, guys, I was only gonna do one, but I ended up doing all four. Fuck it. I was going to the store, so I didn't want to just have one of them clean, but the car is dirty, but the wheels, the tire stickers is clean. Look at that, white. Look at that, white. Yes, sir. It's way better than, I'm not saying it gets it like hella fucking white like when I first bought them, but this is massive difference. You know what I mean? All four.
Have you done the video yet? Shot video?
The video, I'm doing it right now. Y'all heard him? He just said, asked me doing the video, and I'm holding the damn camera. Ain't that crazy? Yeah, I had to break it up. Huh? Yeah, no. If y'all want to go more crazy, I'm gonna show you guys which one I got. I showed you already, but let me show you. So I got this one, the foam busting, grease busting, and Shout Advance. But like I said, you can go buy the bottle with the really concentrated, and it might get whiter than this. You never know. You see how my blue is actually blue again, like bright blue, or just off of this advanced one. Now they have the super concentrated. It might even go more crazy. So that's up to you guys. But that's gonna be the end of this video, man. I drug it out, but I really want to show you guys, like, because I've had these tire stickers for a while and I never could find anything to get these tire stickers white to the point where I was gonna take them off. So maybe somebody already knew this, but this is just me finding out for myself and doing it and letting you guys know, hey, there's something else. Somebody said they got some bleach something too, but I'd rather use the Shout than use bleach and probably get it on my clothes and turn my clothes colors and shit like that. So I really like it. So it's really cheap. But that's gonna be it for the video, man. Now I gotta step right into the next video, which is showing you guys how to use the settings and the firmware update on the Tesla screen, because I know you guys are looking for that. So stay tuned for that video. Go crazy on this one. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video, like it, subscribe if you're new to the channel. And make sure you head over to Grind Everyday Living Apparel. Grab you some hoodies, grab you some t-shirts, grab you some of the new beanies. The new beanies is fire. They going crazy. The new sweatsuits, just grind. You know what I mean? Like, you know how Nike got just do it? Listen, mine is just grind. Just go do it. Put your head down, just grind. You feel me? You can't go wrong when you do that. But I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video, man. Which I'm about to shoot like right now. So I'm gonna catch you guys in about 2 and 2. It's your boy Fushner, man. We out this bitch gone. Yeah.